Hello friends, I am Umesh Mishra, Math teacher of ALPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already discussed about the point line, line segment, ray, and open figure, closed figure. But today I will explain what is angle. Suppose this is ray OA. Suppose this is ray OA. If you take another ray OB, then angle form. It means we can define angle starting from two rays which starts from one end point. Here we see that ray OA and OB is starting from point O. So angle is formed. Now I will define what is interior of angle and opposite and exterior of a angle. Now this is the shaded portion. This is shaded portion. This shaded portion is the interior of angle, and outside of this shaded portion is called exterior of angle. This point A, O, and B are lie on the angle. Here ray OA and OB is the arm of angle, and O is called vertex of angle. Angle AOB denoted as angle written as angle AOB. Angle AOB are simply by write this angle AOB is symbolically, then you write angle AOB. This is the symbol of angle. Simply we can write angle AOB in short form angle O. Here angle AOB can be write in short form angle O. Now next is triangle. What is triangle? I will define triangle. What is triangle? As it is clear from the word triangle, means those figures in which include three angles called triangles. Or simply, if you draw a figure of triangle, then as this type, triangle is formed. This is line segment AB, BC, and CA. This is a closed figure. So we can say also triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. Here line segment AB, this figure ABC is formed by line segment AB, BC and CA and closed. So this is called triangle. And here also three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Here AB, BC in AC is called side of triangle. Triangle sides. Which is sides? Sides is AB, BC, and CD. Is the side of triangle. ABC is called vertex of triangle. ABC is called a vertex of triangle. Vertex A, B, and C. This is called a vertex. Now, angle is angle BAC angle BAC angle ABC and angle ACB. This is the angle of a triangle. So we can say triangle is made by 6 parts, 3 angles and 3 sides. Now, what is interior of a triangle and what is exterior of a triangle? If we set this portion, space bounded by, closed by line segment is called interior of a triangle. Here shaded portion is the interior of a triangle, and outside of this shaded portion is called exterior of a triangle. So this portion is the exterior of a triangle, and this shaded portion is the interior of a triangle. Now I will define altitude of a triangle. What is altitude of a triangle? Altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. First of all, I will draw a triangle. A, B, C. If you draw perpendicular from any vertex to the opposite sides, called altitude of triangle. Suppose we draw perpendicular from vertex A to the opposite side BC. AD. We draw a perpendicular from vertex A to the opposite side BC. Then this AD is called altitude of triangle. Now we can also draw a perpendicular from B to the opposite side AC. This is called A is called perpendicular. A is perpendicular, but A is called altitude of the triangle. So we can draw 3 altitude in any triangle. Now, what is median of a triangle? I will draw median. What is median of a triangle? Median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. We draw a triangle A, B, C. Let's take midpoint of BC. Let D is the midpoint of BC. Joins what is A to D. Then AD is called median of the triangle. It means median of triangle is the line that joins any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. It's called median of a triangle. We can draw also three medians. If we consider midpoint of AC, E and join B, then B is also called median of the triangle. If you draw a take a point F which is midpoint of AB and join CF, then CF is called median of the triangle. We see that these three medians cuts at point O. So median is O is called centroid of the triangle. So we can say or we can define centroid of triangle is the intersecting point of three medians. Here at point O, median AD and median B and median CF intersect. So O is called centroid of the triangle. Now next, quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? You have already seen that triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segment, but quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by four line segment. That is, this is the shape of quadrilateral. This figure is formed by line segment AB, BC, CD and DA. Here AB, BC, CD and DA are called side of quadrilateral. So side of quadrilateral is side of quadrilateral is sides. Which is side of quadrilateral? AB, BC, CD and DA. It's called side of triangle. Now angles. Who are the angles of a quadrilateral? Angle BAD, angle BAD, angle ADC, angle DCB, angle ABC. This is the angles of a quadrilateral. Now opposite angles. Who is the opposite angles of a quadrilateral? Opposite angle. We see that in angle DAB and BCD, no any point is common. So this is called opposite angles. Similarly, angle BAD and angle BCD is the opposite angle. Similarly, angle ADC and angle ABC also the opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Angle BAD and angle BCD, angle ADC and angle ABC. This is called opposite angle. Now diagonals. If you join opposite angles, if you join A and C, that is opposite angle. If you join AC, then line segment AC is called diagonals. Therefore, diagonals will be AC. And if you join opposite angle B and angle D, then BD are also the opposite angles. Now, adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle are those angles in which one arm is common. We see that angle ADC and angle DCB, arm DC is common, so that is called adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means angles that in which one arm is common, called adjacent angle. So angle A, angle D and angle C, angle ADC and angle DCB are the adjacent angle D and angle C. Similarly, angle C and angle B, angle C and angle B, angle B and angle A, angle A and angle B are called adjacent angle. I hope that all the definition is clear to you. Next video, I'll explain some problem based on this definition and this topic. Thank you so much.